Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Copilot for Teams to automate meeting notes, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Microsoft Copilot for Teams, start by ensuring you have a Microsoft 365 license that includes Copilot. Open Microsoft Teams on your device. Log in with your corporate or educational account that has access to Copilot. Once logged in, navigate to the Teams interface. Locate the team for which you want to enable meeting notes automation. Click on the team name to open the team channel. In the channel, select the Meet button to schedule a meeting. You can also choose to start a meeting immediately. During the meeting setup, ensure that you enable the option to use Copilot. This option may be found under the Meeting options. After setting up the meeting, proceed to join your scheduled meeting. Once inside the meeting, you will notice Copilot is active. At this point, Copilot will automatically start taking notes. You can find the notes in the meeting chat once the meeting concludes. To review the notes, navigate back to the channel where the meeting occurred. Click on the Chat tab to locate the notes shared by Copilot. You can edit or add additional information to the notes if necessary. To automate future meetings, repeat the setup process for each team and meeting. Ensure that everyone in the team is familiar with Copilot's features. Encourage team members to provide feedback on the notes generated. This will help enhance the accuracy and usefulness of the notes. With this setup, you can streamline your meeting documentation process. Enjoy the benefits of automated note-taking with Microsoft Copilot in Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.